Caked grass in the undercarriage can potentially clog the mower's discharge chute, so regularly clearing this out can keep your machine running smoothly. Always consult the user manual before carrying out any maintenance tasks. Tip the mower onto its side, ensuring the air filter is facing upwards to access the underside of the deck. Remove the mower blade and use a wire brush or putty knife to clear out any dirt and grass clippings from the undercarriage. And then rinse and dry. For further support, contact 0345 605 2067.